Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase UEFA Euro 2024 star player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused so I can chance the event. How you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the market feature at the bottom of your screen and jump directly into the search filter. Here you can search by program. You can tap the program and choose UEFA Euro 2024 program. Save and search. Here, as you can see, this is the new program, the new type of player. For example, with the flag behind, this is type of player, a star player of UEFA Euro 2024 that you can get. Of course, this is expensive. Let's try search the cheapest one. The value, you can filter with value here, or you can filter by OVR. Tap filter with OVR rating between 90, start from 90 and 93. Here the blue one, so this is the most valuable that you can get. So Lewandowski you can get with only 5 millions, but of course with the lower OVR version. This is like base version of the player. This is part of best player. So before we got star player, but this is the best player that you can get. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.